Welcome to the training videos from Medi Orthopedics. The following film will give you helpful tips about using the Medi SAS 45 abduction cushion. The Medi SAS 45 can be used on either the left or right shoulder. Once the orthosis has been correctly adjusted, the patient can also don the product independently depending on the degree of mobility. Place the upper arm and forearm with the injured shoulder into the opened loops and close these one after the other. Now sit up and close the shoulder strap and the waist belt. Ask for help if you need it, so as to avoid any harmful movements of the operated shoulder. You can wash the orthosis in cold water and mild soap suds and allow it to air dry.